बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent, is a special John from Mishar Modern School, Charsata branch. Dear student, today we are going to discuss unit number 3, Qaid a Great Leader, paragraph comprehension. So let's come to the paragraph. It was August 7, 1947 when a sailor aircraft circled over the airport at Maripur, Karachi. It was watched by a vast excited crowd while smoothly landing. First to step out of the airplane was a tall and dignified man, wearing a pure white sherwani. As soon as he appeared, the whole crowd roared with one voice, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad, and every man pushed forward to welcome him, to get as close to him as possible in order to see him clearly. For here was the great leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was the founder and the first Governor General of the newly country. Here was the great leader who had won Pakistan for them, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So let's come to the questions and answer. Question number 1. Describe the person who had come out of the airplane at Maripur, Karachi. Answer. Qaid-e-Azam was the first person who had come out of the airplane at Maripur, Karachi on 7 August 1947. How was the crowd? Crowd mean hujum. It was answer. It was a vast and excited crowd. Question number 3 of paragraph comprehension we have. Why did the whole crowd roar in one voice, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad? क्यों सारे हुजूम ने एक आवाज पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद के नारे लगाए? Answer. The whole crowd roared in one voice, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad, because they saw their great leader मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, वो इसलिए एक आवाज में बोलने लगी, तेज आवाज से बोलने लगी, क्योंकि उसने अपना अजीम रहनुमा कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना को देखा. Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का पहला गवर्नर जनरल कौन था? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना was the first Governor General of Pakistan. Next come to the topic vocabulary on page 29. Find the meaning of the following words from the dictionary and identify the part of speech of the word through abbreviation use. सबसे पहले आपने इन वर्ड्स की मीनिंग फाइंड आउट करनी है और मीनिंग के बाद आपने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में इन एब्रिविएटेड फॉर्म में लिखना है. क्यूरियोसिटी. क्यूरियोसिटी मीन वायलेंस, तशद्दुद. और जो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है हमारे साथ, ये नाउन है, हमारे साथ नाउन है. Next we remind. Remind mean याद दिलाना. Remember meaning, its meaning is remember, and part of speech is verb. Determination. कुव्वत इरादी या इरादा, decision, फैसला. It is a noun. Crowd. हुजूम, मॉब भी हुजूम को कहते हैं, मॉब. इट इज कलेक्टिव नाउन एंड इट इज ए नाउन. सोबर, मतीन, काम, खामोश, सीरियस, संजीदा. एडजेक्टिव है, इट इज ए पार्ट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. सो नेक्स्ट कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर एफ. कंसल्ट अ डिक्शनरी एंड फाइंड आउट द एंटोनिम्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. इसके जो ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स हैं वो फाइंड आउट करने हैं. एंटोनिम्स मीन a lexical term which shows the opposite of a word. Next word we have serious, संजीदा. इसका एंटोनिम्स जो है ट्रिवियल, मामूली, इनफॉर्म जो है गैर संजीदा. सेकंड वर्ड है हमारे पास वायलेंस, तशद्दुद. इसका मिल्डीनेस, gentleness, शराफत. माइल्डनेस एंड जेंटलनेस. वीकनेस, कमजोरी, स्ट्रेंथ. कुव्वत, पावर, ताकत. delight खुशी, dismay gloom गमज़दा, harmony हम आहंगी, disharmony अफरा तफरी. So next come to the writing question. We have question number G. Write an essay on your favorite ideal personality. Here we have ideal personality. This is regarding Qaid-e-Azam, so we will write about Qaid-e-Azam. Qaid-e-Azam is a shining star in the history of Pakistan. एक चमकता हुआ सितारा है. Shining star में चमकता हुआ सितारा. In the history of Pakistan, पाकिस्तान की तारीख में. He is my beloved personality. मेरा पसंदीदा शख्सियत है. Personality में शख्सियत. Our national hero, हमारा कौमी हीरो, and the founder of Pakistan, और पाकिस्तान के बानी है. Founder में बानी. His father's name was Punja Jinnah, and his mother's name was Mithibai Jinnah. He was born in Karachi on 25th December 1876 in a middle class family. वस्तानी मिडिल क्लास में जो वस्तानी एक किस्म का खानदान जो ना अपर में होता है या ना पुअर क्लास होता है. मिडिल क्लास, लोअर क्लास में भी नहीं होता, ये मिडिल दरमियानी दर्जे के खानदान में था. His father was a merchant bin सौदागर. After his matriculation, मैट्रिक इम्तिहान के बाद he was sent to England for higher study. उनको आला तालीम के लिए इंग्लिस्तान भेजा गया. He was a keen and studious student. Students mean मुतालिया करने वाला. He was interested in legal matters. कानूनी मामलात. Legal matters mean कानूनी मामलात. Therefore, he took admission in law at Department of Lincoln Inns College. He studied law deeply and obtained law degree in distinguished grade. Munfarid. Distinguished mean Munfarid. He qualified from the Lincoln Inn as a brilliant liar. Brilliant mean शानदार, अजीम, and returned to India. Return mean वापस आना. Jinnah began his practice in Bombay when he was 20 years old. Qaid-e-Azam was the only Muslim barrister in Bombay in those days. He was a successful lawyer of India. Later on, he joined the Indian National Congress in 1906. He was supporter of Hindu-Muslim unity in India. However, Taham he became disappointed. Disappointed means mayus hona, from narrow vision of some Hindu leader. Narrow vision means tangnazri. He left Indian National Congress and decided to join the Muslim League. Qaid joined All Indian Muslim League in 1930. He worked hard for a separate homeland. Separate homeland means अलहदा वतन के लिए उसने बहुत सख्त मेहनत की. For the Muslim of subcontinent, बरसगीर के मुसलमानों के लिए. And at last और आखिरकार 14 August 1947 was the day of Trump. ये फतह का दिन था. 14 अगस्त 1947 का दिन एक फतह का दिन था. In this way, इसी तरह a new Muslim country, एक नया मुसलमान मुल्क, पाकिस्तान appeared on the map of the world, दुनिया के नक्शे पे नमूदार हुआ, जाहिर हुआ. With the hard work of मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह की मेहनत की वजह से, सख्त मेहनत की वजह से. He became the first Governor General of Pakistan. वो पाकिस्तान के पहले गवर्नर जनरल बने. Jinnah had been suffering from tuberculosis since 1930. वो 1930 से टीबी के मरज में मुब्तला थी. ये टीबी के मरज का शिकार हुई थी. He died on 11 September. वो 11 सितंबर 1948 को वफात पाए. He was buried at Karachi. वो कराची Question number H. Analyze the last paragraph in the text to identify general idea and supporting details. Answer. The last paragraph of the unit conveys the idea of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah strong determination. ये हमारे साथ जो है ये जनरल आइडिया है इस पैराग्राफ का. Jinnah's the last paragraph of the unit conveys the idea of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's strong determination and undying will. Strong determination mean मजबूत क़ुव्वत इरादी and undying will, और उसके जो इरादे थे वो कमजोर इरादे नहीं थे, मजबूत इरादे. He worked day and night, उसने दिन रात काम किया for the creation of Pakistan, पाकिस्तान की तहरीक के लिए. In spite of his, बावजूद उसके deteriorating health, बिगड़ती हुई सेहत के बावजूद भी. He grouped the Muslim of South Asia as one country. He taught them to live in peace and harmony in the new country. Peace and harmony. Peace mean aman and harmony, कि वो पुरअमन और हम आहंगी से अपने नए मुल्क में रहे. Taught means सिखाना. Write down the summary of the lesson. Qaid, the great leader. Answer. Summary. Qaid-e-Azam reached Karachi on 7th August 1947. People were very happy at his arrival. Arrival mean Ahmad, because he was the person who had one independent state for them. क्योंकि उन्होंने उनके लिए एक अलहदा मुल्क जीता था. Qaid-e-Azam was a man of unique characteristic. Unique characteristic mean मुनफरिद खुसूसियात का एक इंसान था. Unique mean मुनफरिद. He was a calm, खामोश, serious, संजीदा and sober और मतीन इंसान था. He was worried about the people who had become homeless, और वो उन लोगों के बारे में बहुत परेशान थे जो बेघर हुए थे. He was a man of strong feelings, वो मजबूत एहसासात के मालिक थे and emotion और जज्बात का. He was suffering from tuberculosis, वो TB का शिकार हुई थी. But he had the satisfaction, लेकिन उनको इत्मीनान था that the major part of his work was done by achieving an independent state of Muslim. लेकिन he had the satisfaction, उनको इत्मीनान था that the major part, के उनके अहम काम of his work, के उनके काम का अहम हिस्सा मुकम्मल हो चुका है. By achieving, हासिल करना an independent state पाकिस्तान की सूरत में एक खुद मुख्तार रियासत for the Muslim subcontinent, बरसगीर के मुसलमानों के लिए. He also gave the message, उन्होंने पैगाम दिया of love, मोहब्बत का, brotherhood, भाईचारे का and equality और बराबरी का to the citizens, शहरियों का पाकिस्तान का at the time of independence, आज़ादी के वक्त. Thank you for watching. So also subscribe the channel.